All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, we're pretty much just gonna go check out car shows. There's like 10 car shows going on today out here in Phoenix. Today's date is March 8th, 2025. It's a Saturday. So if you looking for footage for any car show, pretty much put that date in, you're gonna find something. But I figured I'd just pick the closest three to me, which first is going to be the Queen Creek Cars and Coffee. And then from there, we're going to head over to the Reunion Truck Show. Checked it out. This will be my first time, and I heard it's pretty huge. And then the last thing we're going to do is finish up at the Pinal County Sheriffs Department annual car show they have at the local high school out here. So stay tuned for all that footage. I also want to say gracias por ver mis videos suegros. All right, so we at the first stop on Kenny's Saturday shenanigans, I should say. So this is the Queen Creek Cars and Coffee. Then from here, we're going to shoot over to the Reunion Truck Show. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Got a nice little Chevelle here, 454 SS, nice and clean. So it's pretty empty here today. I kind of figured that, seeing that so many other car shows are going on this Saturday. It only makes sense. So we're gonna film just a little bit and head over to the next one. All right, always gotta get my Hondas. Heck, I'm surprised to see this here. One of the events going on today is a lowrider show. So this is actually pretty cool. But that is clean. We got a square body out here. He might be making a pit stop. I like how this sits though. Those US mag wheels are looking clean on this thing. But the interesting thing that I did find is he sit pretty good, and looks like he's just C-notched. Nothing too crazy. C-notch with a 4-link setup, it looks like, or at least on the top. So yeah, it's pretty tight. Definitely had to get some of this Nova here. I saw this from across the parking lot. This thing was very, very nice. Very nice. Nice, beautiful black paint. All right, so that is a wrap on the Queen Creek Cars and Coffee. Really wasn't that many vehicles out here, but I didn't expect it to be, seeing that there are so many events going on today. So we are off to the next one. All right, so we are here downtown Chandler for the Reunion Truck Show. So it's gonna be noisy here, so I'm just gonna just record, no commentary. Let's get at it. All right, everybody. So the reunion truck show was crazy. That thing is like a mini Dino's. So if you've never checked that out, you definitely got to go there. That was my first time, and I really, really enjoyed it. So we're at the end of Kenny's day of shenanigans, I guess. This is the Pinal County Sheriffs Department. Their annual car show they have at Poston Butte High School out here. So this is where I'm going to end my day. So stay tuned for more footage.
This is police.
watching this here video. Please like and subscribe.